In the last part, I shared steps on how to schedule. Today, let's learn about the analytics. If you go to the analytics section, you will see the post here. Whatever posts you have shared, you will be able to see the interaction the post has had.
Here you will see all of your posts from the last 30 days.
Previously in the settings tab, we checked out the posting schedule, but now let's go through the general tab. Here you can find a feature to shorten a link in case it's too long to go with the post. You can choose which link format you want to use. You can connect Buffer to Google Analytics and can view the analytics directly on Google as well. If you want similar content to be posted on all your accounts at once, but you have already scheduled it, you can just click on the Shuffle Queue option and all the posts on this account will get shuffled. None of the posts will be deleted, but they will now be posted at a different time. It will just create an automatic variation. The Analyze section, which is again a paid feature, but it is broader to the one that we just saw in the Settings tab. It gives you additional tools that you can use alongside the basic tools of Buffer. Again, you can do a 14-day trial to find out how well this goes for your business.